This is going to be a video to show you how to make steel bristles, which is what I'm using to stitch the welt on in the background here. And I also use it to stitch on the sole, as you can see here. The traditional method would be using a boar bristle, so like from a wild pig. But using steel bristles makes the job a lot easier. To make the bristles, I'm going to use 0.4mm spring wire, which you can get on eBay or Amazon for about £5 for about a metre, or £10 for about 5 metres. I want the bristles to be about 6 centimetres long, so I'm going to measure out 12 centimetres. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm just essentially just going to crimp it a little bit between a pair of pliers. And now I'm going to clamp the two ends in a vise. I'm going to put probably up to about 1 centimetre in the vise and then clamp it as tightly as I can. I'm going to put the drill on the top of here. That's it in the end of the drill. If you have a variable speed drill, it's better because you can do it slower. But you can do it with just a single speed drill. You just need to be careful you don't spin it too much. Basically, if you spin it too much, it's going to crinkle up, and you want it to be as straight as possible. I'm just going to cut off the end that was in the vise here. And there's your steel bristle.